Setup is incredibly easy. Simply attach the base, connect the wires, and follow the step-by-step on-screen instructions. The Nest detects your location using Wi-Fi and asks a few basic questions to calibrate sensors and determine schedules. Within minutes, the thermostat is up and running. Once configured, the Nest truly shines. The large, brightly lit interface is a joy to use. Changing modes and settings is as simple as twisting the outer ring or tapping icons on the display. The large font and vibrant photos make temperature adjustments obvious at a glance. All buttons have haptic feedback, providing physical confirmation that inputs have registered. The standout feature is the Nest's ability to learn and adapt over time using your preferences. It monitors temperatures in your house to determine an ideal range and then adjusts accordingly, eventually turning itself down when nobody is home. If you make manual adjustments, the Nest notices patterns in your behavior and incorporates them into its automation. This self-learning aspect helps reduce heating and cooling costs while maintaining the comfort levels you desire. The Nest also links to the Nest mobile app, which provides remote access and more customization options. You can tweak schedules, set eco-temperatures for when you're away, enable heating and cooling preconditioning before you arrive home, and monitor energy usage. The app notifications alert you of temperature changes, system issues, and recommended energy savings. Through the app, multiple users can manage the same thermostat. Extra sensors are available to improve temperature regulation. The Nest Leaf Monitor measures relative humidity and helps avoid mold and condensation issues. The Nest Temperature Sensor provides an additional temperature reading to ensure even heating and cooling in multi-zone environments. Some downsides include high costs compared to basic thermostats and occasional connectivity issues due to requiring a Wi-Fi connection. The Nest also lacks compatibility with certain HVAC systems and sensors. Customer support can be slow to respond at times. Finally, privacy concerns have arisen over what personal data Nest collects and shares. In conclusion, for those willing to pay a premium for smart home convenience and energy savings, the Nest Learning Thermostat delivers. Its blend of thoughtful design, intuitive interface, powerful self-learning capabilities, and helpful mobile app make it the gold standard of thermostats. While not for everyone due to costs and compatibility issues, the Nest arguably raises the bar for what a thermostat can and should be in the modern, connected home. If you want the very best in thermostat technology and are willing to pay a higher price, the Nest Learning Thermostat is hard to beat. The Nest Learning Thermostat is a smart thermostat that is designed to learn the preferences of its users and adjust the temperature accordingly. The thermostat is manufactured by Nest Labs, which is owned by Google. The device boasts a range of features that make it a popular choice for homeowners, including its sleek design, ease of use, and energy-saving capabilities.